How's it going, guys? It is Tyler Frazier down here at the Orlando Harley-Davidson Historic Factory. We wanted to bring out the Reef Blue and Black Road Glide Special. This is a colorway they came out for 2022 here. Very vibrant. As you can see on the video, I'm sure all these colors are just popping off of that lens there. So the nice thing about the specials that you have here for the Road Glides as well as for the Street Glides is you have the option of going with the chrome trim or the blacked out trim. This particular model here, we have the chrome package. So with that Reef Blue and the black with the accent of this pinstripe and chrome, this bike is just jumping right now. So like the 2021 Road Glide specials, we do have some of the same features as well on this. So with that being said, we do have the Boom GTS infotainment system up front. We do have the stretch bags, which come standard on these models, as well as the 114 Milwaukee 8 engine. Very powerful motor. Another unique feature about the specials is you do still have the RDRS as an option. This particular motorcycle here does have it. What that allows for is traction control and other things like that regarding to the safety of the motorcycle when you're in, you know, I guess you would say unpleasant conditions or unfavorable conditions. Other cool features about this motorcycle is it does still have the Prodigy Wheel on there. This one is a two-tone, so it's got the black and milled aluminum as well. So it really gives it a little bit more color pop as well. All right, guys, just for a short little reference, I'm about 6'2", 200 pounds roughly. So just so you guys can see what it looks like on bike in case you want to know what you would look like. Pretty comfortable seat height. Bars are in a good relaxed position. Feet completely on the ground, stable. Can rock it back and forth, no issues. I know a thing people had in the past was the concern of getting a full tank and or, you know, spillage that you would have on the center console. So in 2021, they introduced on the specials the offset gas cap, which they do still have here in 2022 as well. What that allows you to do is when you're at the gas station, let's say sitting on your bike or having it leaned over, you would have a void here in the tank. With this being off-centered, it allows you to sit there and fill that void, getting a fuller 6-gallon tank to allow you to get that about 240, you know, miles you get per tank, so you can get out on the road and not have to worry about it. Another unique thing that they did in 2021, which they have as well in 2022, is the chopped engine guard bar. I like to call it the mustache bar. You can almost double it as a highway bar. If you're you know, a little taller, you can put your foot up there and rest it out there. I like to do it sometimes. I personally have a Road Glide myself. Other unique features they have on this motorcycle that they've had for the past couple of years is the floating floorboards you have. So what that is there's a little bit of a suspension going on between the floorboard here. That way when you're on rougher roads or longer rides, your foot's not gonna fall asleep. All right, so guys, this is the 2022 Reef Blue Road Glide Special with the black accent and gray pinstripe in the chrome trim. Like I said, the special comes in 2 color options as far as the trim. You can do chrome or black. This one here in particular is the chrome, very beautiful, popping on the screen right now in this beautiful sunny weather we're having today. Like I said, my name is Tyler Frazier from the Orlando Harley-Davidson Historic Factory. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video with any questions or anything you may need from us. That way we can reach out to you and get you taken care of. And if you got anything you guys would like to know about any particular motorcycle, give us a call.